Now I'm here at Computex 2026 and to fulfill a promise na magdadala ako ng good news sa inyo. And eto nga, nahanap natin yung laptop that at least at the bang for the buck side, and it's promised to be one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest at this specs, RTX 4050 16GB RAM, the Gigabyte Eagle. So this is promised to be cheaper than any of the Gigabyte lineup ng laptop, and at the same time, most likely, based dun sa nasabi nilang presyo, this will be cheaper even compared sa mga competitors. Kasi naka 16 gig na siya na RAM. And eto yung hinahanap ko talaga. Kasi napakamahal ng RAM, and that's the first thing that I asked. Will this be 8 gig or 16 gig? And sabi nila 16 gig daw yung RAM neto. And of course, there's an extra slot if you want to upgrade in the future. Pero at least out of the box, kita nyo naman, this is a 16 gig RAM with this 15 inches LCD display. At the same time, naka Ryzen 5 7000 series na po siya. And the looks itself, it's very minimalist, and it's also lightweight. So it's like you are having a gaming laptop, but it doesn't look so aggressive. So it will be very complementary sa trend ngayon na mas prefer na ng iba ngayon yung hindi masyadong flashy when you are out there. And that is something that we will be discovering soon also, yung other details niya. Pero here is the physical looks of this soon to be most likely most affordable gaming laptop. Halos nasa 60k plus na po yung mga ganitong laptop sa Pilipinas sa ngayon, sa sobrang mahal ng RAM and SSDs. Kaya sa mga nagbabalak na bumili ng gaming laptop, feel free to hold your budget and wait this to arrive in the Philippines, and hopefully I can have this as soon as possible para ma-check ko at ma-diagnose at ma-benchmark natin, and may pakita ko sa inyo how powerful is this gaming laptop once it arrived in the Philippines. So for the rest of the details, I will just be letting you guys ask me questions down in the comment section para at least ma-address natin if you have questions, kasi limited lang yung time natin to check on this laptop at the booth dahil ang dami ring interested to check on this very affordable gaming laptop that is brought to you by Gigabyte.